When it comes over to YouTube, to make more money and grow very fast, the most important thing is actually picking the right niche to get started with, because the niche you actually pick determines how fast you are going to grow, because there are some niches whereby can give you fast growth like within few months time, provided I put in the right work, and those are the kind of niche I'm going to share with you in this video. So without taking much of your time, hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can actually make money through content creation on Facebook, Instagram, or any single platform in which you create content at all. And my best, and what I do for you here is simply giving you the best I think will actually help you grow in these industries. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight into today's video. Let me share with you these 5 killer niche that you actually need to get started with today to actually make sure that you're getting the right result from YouTube. So before we get started, I just want to let you know that these niches are not arranged in any particular order. They are randomly arranged. It's just for you to pick the one that you think you can actually find your way around easily to actually grow in the industry. So with that already said, please smash that like button and let's get straight into the first niche on our list. And the first niche on our list when it comes to growing fast on YouTube and making more money is the make money online niche. Yeah, I know this niche, a lot of people have said it so many times. Yes, this niche is the most evergreen niche in the industry. The reason is that we are going more digital day in, day out, and more people are feeling more comfortable trying to work remotely from their houses. And these sort of things are the ones that actually fuel this niche, because there are a lot of people out there that prefer sitting at home and working. Like people like me wants to make money just by sitting indoors and not going to any particular office. And this is where make money online actually comes in, because the make money online niche is the most vast niche ever on YouTube. Like that is the niche a lot of YouTubers are in, and I know you are surprised how they are getting subscribers faster and how much they actually make. Well, this niche actually makes a lot of money. Even like I would say it makes more money than most of the other niches you see on YouTube, because it gets the most attention, and the most people who search for these niches are ready to buy any particular product you are promoting to them. Like I remember earlier on when I also get started to make money online back in 2019, like I was also into this thing. I was searching for videos up and down. I can't recall the number of channels I've watched to learn different ways in which to actually make money online before I find myself in crypto, forex trading, and content creation. So with that aside, when it comes over to making money on YouTube and growing fast, the first niche on my list is actually make money online niche. So when it comes over to this niche right now, you don't have to show your face like I do. There are different ways in which you can do it. You can go faceless. You can decide to show your face, or you can go faceless. And for those of you who wants to show your face as well, you can let me know that in the video description. You can, if you want to know the equipment I use to actually show my face. I think most of you will be thinking I use any big cameras. No, I actually use my smartphone to actually shoot my videos. So in case you want to know how I use smartphone to shoot my videos and then do my editing, you can let me know that in the comment section. And for those of you who want to get started into make money online niche but then wants to go to faceless, then you can also let me know. I'm going to create a video on how you can actually edit full faceless videos or make money online niche. But for now, I have other videos that will actually take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can start a faceless YouTube channel. All of them will be linked that in the video description as well. So with that said, I hope this is the first niche on our list which actually talks about make money online, and I would say is the most popular niche out there that is getting the most attention right now. The second niche on our list when it comes to growing fast on YouTube is known as the motivational or inspirational niche. So this niche is one of the most, like when it comes to easiest to grow niche, is this niche that is the most easiest from my point of view. The reason is that there are a lot of people, like almost every single human being out there is looking for a way to stay motivated, looking for inspirational code just to keep themselves up even in their lowest times. And this is where this niche actually comes in. And when it comes to this motivational niches, most of the channels in these industries are 100% faceless, and that faceless actually helps them to grow really faster, because one thing I've noticed about YouTube of late is that faceless videos seems to go way very far than any other form of video. But then that doesn't mean faceless video is suitable for everyone at all. Like for me, I like showing my face on camera. Like across almost all my channels, I like showing my face on camera because I feel more comfortable doing it like this rather than faceless, though I also have a faceless channel. But that aside, when it comes over to the motivational channel, trust me, this channel have a very good revenue opportunity, because it gets a lot of views. Like if you go on YouTube right now, you search for any motivational sort of videos, you are going to see that it gets a lot of views, and then that a lot of views also are marked in its revenue, because they often get sponsorship deals and then other form of ways of actually making money. Even through YouTube system as well, they get a very high RPM, which is revenue per month. For every 1,000 views they get, they have a very high return on it. So if you are looking for a YouTube channel to get started and then you want to go faceless, then I advise you go into the motivational or inspirational code niche that will actually give you more ability. And one thing, if you are getting into this niche, and one advice I'll give to you is that if you want to create content in this niche, focus more on creating content around using famous individuals for your content. Like for example, you can talk about Elon Musk, quotes, and all those things. When you use big faces for your thumbnails and then your video titles, it actually helps you grow more faster in that industry. So that already said, this is the point 2 on our list, is simply how to is simply getting started with a motivational or inspirational quote niche. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you are still watching this video, and also check down this video description to go check out other videos that talks about how you can start a faceless YouTube channel or how you can grow a small channel as well. So now let's move over to the third point on our list. The third channel on our list is actually the review channel. So product reviews is it's a very lucrative channel if you look at how the world is going right now, because every single person out there prefers sitting at home and they're trying to do research about a particular product before going to buy it. And this is where this review channels come in. Like if you are someone who order things a lot online like I do, you'll probably be sitting at home always. Like when you want to buy something, you prefer watching a YouTube video about that product than even going to the product official website to go read about it. This is because it's better to get a second-hand idea about a product before going to buy it rather than reading the direct manufacturer information. So when it comes over to YouTube, another great channel that can actually help you grow faster is the product review. So when we talk about product reviews, I'm not just talking about reviewing every single thing out there. You can be reviewing gadgets, you can be reviewing maybe cars, like any single thing you know that can actually get your hand on. You can be working on reviewing those sort of stuff, like something consistent. So for example, what I mean is that it's not that you review car today, then tomorrow you start reviewing phones, maybe the following day you start reviewing something else. No, pick a particular industry that you think you know a lot of information about. Like for me now, if I want to start a review channel, I'll start it on phones and then like technology related, like phones, laptops and things, because I'm more comfortable around those stuff because I know them a lot. So for you now, it totally depends on what you want to review. But another good channel in which you can actually get started today is actually a review channel. Review channels, if you are starting a review channel, I won't really advise you go faceless. The reason why I won't advise you go totally faceless is that, like, what I mean by going totally faceless is that I believe you've seen review channels whereby maybe you want to buy a phone and then you are reading the reviews and then the video actually comes up and then you are not seeing anything, maybe a picture of the two phones and then their information is popping one after the other. No, that's not the kind of review channel I want you to get started with. The kind of review channel I want you to get started with is that you get your hand on the device. Maybe if it's a phone, you buy the phone and then you can be recording the phone, showing people every part of the phone whilst you are not showing your face. That is also considered faceless. So it's not a must for you to show your face, but actually just trying to make people feel that, okay, you personally bought this device, you've used it, so you know the information about it before you're actually reviewing it. So this is the kind of review channels I'm actually talking about. And then you'll be wondering, so will I be buying every single phone I want to review? No, you don't have to be buying every single phone. One of the best things you can actually do for yourself is getting close to someone who sells phones around you. Maybe you know someone who deals in phones, so you can simply go straight to the person and then tell him that, okay, you can be doing phone reviews. So what you simply do is that you take phones from him, you do the reviews, then you can say, okay, if you are looking for to buy this phone and then you live around my city, this, that, you can simply call this number. Just a way to tell the person who is selling the phone that, okay, whilst you are using his phones to actually do a review on your channel to grow your YouTube channel, you are actually promoting its own business as well. So in this way, the person will be okay with you actually coming to use his phones for your reviews, and this one will help you grow faster because review channels are really the best. Like before I bought my latest mobile phone that I'm using right now, which is the black one you are seeing there right now, like I watched over 10 different videos. Like I'm not like I watched about 10 different videos about the phone before I actually bought it, to make sure that I've gotten opinions of different people who have used it under different conditions to actually know the pros and cons of the phones before actually going to buy it. And since I bought it, like I've not seen anything different from what they've said, so I'm really much okay with it. So I normally don't like reading the main product website itself about their particular product. No, I like getting the informations from YouTube channels of people who have actually got their hands on these devices. So that's simply it about the third niche on our list. Is actually product review channels. You can be reviewing phones, laptops, TVs, or probably cars as well if you can get your hands on any. So hello guys, now we are in the fourth niche, but please, before we get straight into the fourth niche, I advise you kindly smash on that subscribe button, because the more likes this video get, the more shares this video get, the more YouTube will actually recommend this video to more people. So please, I advise you kindly help me by hitting the like and share button to actually push this video to more audience. So now, that aside, I believe you've actually done that. So the fourth niche on our list is actually the lifestyle niche. So when it comes over to the lifestyle niche, it's very perfect for all-round people. Like when I say all-round people, is someone who doesn't have any specific topic he wants to talk about. Like you just want to talk about every single thing that actually comes into his mind, then you can go for the lifestyle channel, because this lifestyle channel mainly focuses on someone's personality. Like for example, if I wanted to open a lifestyle channel, it will simply be about my daily lives, the works I do. Like I shoot videos in the morning, and then after that I go trade forex or I go trade crypto, and then after doing my trading, take a walk around, look for other things to do, and all of those stuff. So when it comes over to the lifestyle channel, it's simply talking about any single thing that comes into your mind, like your daily life and things. So lifestyle channels are also other great channels. Like when it comes over to lifestyle channel, audience are really glued to those channels. So anybody who hit on a subscribe on a lifestyle channel is likely to stick with you. The reason why they are often like that is because they want to learn how you actually do your life, and they try comparing it to theirs to see how they can actually scale it up. And personally, I've subscribed to some lifestyle channel, and there's some lifestyle channel are very helpful. So if you want to get started with a lifestyle channel, I'll advise you, don't just come up and then start uploading any random video at all. Make sure that whatever video you're sharing is either funny to make people feel excited, or you're probably sharing a message, like things people can learn from your daily life and things to actually help them also improve their lifestyle as well. So when it comes over to the fourth niche on our list, it's actually the lifestyle niche, and this niche is something people let's talk about of. But from my research and different from lifestyle channels I've monitored, I see that they grow really fast, and you can also get started with this as well. So that's simply it about the fourth niche on our list, which is known as a lifestyle niche. So the final niche on our list is actually known as the entertainment niche. So if you're in Africa, I'm not sure I need to advise you on what to do about when it comes over to content creation. Because if you look at the Africa recommendation feed, like no matter who you are following, you cannot open your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter without seeing anything that has to do with a celebrity. That's simply how the African recommendation system is. So if you're in Africa, one of the channels that can actually blow you up within 3 to 6 months of consistency is the entertainment niche. So when it comes over this entertainment niche, most of the ones is simply talking about news, like anything trending at all. You can be talking about football, celebrity news, like any single thing at all that is trending. The reason why these niches grow very fast, and I believe you've seen them grow very fast, is because they focus on anything that is trending. So they hop on trend, and when you hop on trends, like it actually helps you grow faster. So if you're in Africa and then you want to get started with content creation, you are looking for a way in which you can grow really fast, I would advise you go straight to entertainment. Like this niche that I am right now, it's not a niche that you can actually just come out and then blow up very fast, because it's a highly competitive niche. A niche that can easily blow you up is entertainment, because mostly if you are the kind of person who can talk about football, talk about the music industry, talk about the movie industry, and talk about any other sport industry at all, just missing everything that has to do with entertaining people together, then trust me, within 3 to 6 months of consistency, you're actually going to blow up very faster and easy. So that's simply all about it in today's video. So hope you find this video helpful. Now, taking a quick recap of everything in this video, I simply gave you 5 easy to grow niches that will actually make you more money on YouTube. And then the first one is actually being the make money online niche, which is an evergreen niche. Secondly, a motivational niche, which is also another evergreen niche. And then thirdly, product review niche, which grows from season to season, because product season changes, and when the season changes, people often like getting into the latest devices. So it's very important for you to also stay updated with the latest devices that are coming out. And then fourthly, I told you about the lifestyle niche, a niche whereby you can talk about anything at all that actually impresses you. And then the final one is actually talking about entertainment in general. So you can actually get into any of these niche, and for you, you can decide to go into all of them. So for me here on this channel, I do more of make money online, but I'm more focused on the content creation aspect of make money online, which is how you can make money through content creation. And then on my other channel, which will be showing on screen right now, known as Perez Trade, it's also more like a make money online channel, but it's focused on the crypto and forex aspect of make money online as well. So my next channels that will be coming up will be mainly about entertainment, where I talk about every single thing, like sports, celebrity, every single thing. So like personally, I'm always at home, so I just look for things to busy up my channel. So when I grow any of my channels and then monetize any of my channels, I move on to another one, just trying to get a lot of things to keep me busy. And at the end of the day, I enjoy the most when I get all of them monetized, because instead of focusing on only one channel, I have multiple channels actually bringing in the money in. So it's also very great as well. So this doesn't mean you should get into every single channel at all. No, you can just get into something that you actually interested in. Like for me, I'm interested in a lot of things, and I don't want to put all of them on that one channel. That's why I'm just breaking them into different aspects, just to make sure that I get different set of audience from different angles as well. So now with that already said, hello guys, hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So that already said, have a nice day. Bye.